Associates at Honda Power Equipment Manufacturing today marked 35 years of producing power equipment products in America by announcing a $46.4 million investment to expand the North Carolina plant's manufacturing capabilities. HPE also announced plans to begin production in September of all new Honda HRN lawnmower. The new investment strengthens HPE's production technologies in the North Carolina plant and includes a production line for the new Honda GCV general purpose engine and a 135,000 square feet plant expansion for parts storage. The plant has the capacity to produce 2 million general purpose engines per year, including the GCV engine, which is designed specifically for premium residential power equipment applications.